We have the box here. I just showed it to you. We're going to open it up, show you how to put it together, and get this awesome thing running.
Next, what's in the box? Next, put it all together. Unpack lock parts. Attach training wheels. Attach fender.
Screwdriver not included.
Attach front wheel.
Fun fact, this bike can ride up to 60 minutes on a full charge. Fun fact, loading capacity is 66 lbs.
Attach front suspension. Attach handlebars.
Fun fact, this bike has two speeds high and low, 3.8 to 5.8 km/h.
Connect electrical by front tire. Connect electrical under the seat.
Test power,
Seal it back up.
quick charge.
There you have it, folks. The KXD Pro. This is a great electric motorcycle toy, I think, for kids ages 3 to about 7. Now, it does have a weight limit of about 65 pounds, like I mentioned in there in the video. But, I mean, overall, super fun toy. Kids have fun with it. Doesn't have the most juice, but it's still a great, fun toy to have around the farm. If you would definitely have more access to more paved roads, this would probably be even more fun. But that's it for us, folks. Hopefully this video helps you in your decision making on whether or not to get the KXD Pro for your home and your family. All right, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Mahalo, and as always,